Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township, and today I will show you step by step how you can create these counter section. Here you can see that whenever we are scrolling from our home page to this section, we are getting a counter value over here. So today in this video I am going to explain you how we can create these counter value feature. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating these counter values. So first of all, again to create this counter value, we have to open our Elementor page builder. So here in a new tab you can see I have already opened my Elementor page builder. So what I will do here, so now let me again take a click on this plus icon, and I am going to take a single section with 4 columns. So in this we are going to add these counter features. So how we can do that? Let's go to the widget section, and here you can search for counter. Whenever you will search here for counter, you are going to get this counter. Just drag it here. Alright, so now you can see you can set the starting number. Suppose I want it to start from 50 and it should end at 60. So you can set it like it will show the value from 50 to 60. In the same way, if you want to add any prefix or suffix value, suppose if I want to add it to 1650 plus, so you can add it in prefix and suffix. Prefix will add a value before the text, and suffix will add it after the text. So you can add it here, like let me remove the prefix and I want to start it from 0 or 10. After that you can set the animation speed, like what if you can decrease the animation speed also, you can increase the animation speed also if you want. You can do it like this. So let me clip it 2000 only. If you want to enable 1000 separator, you can enable that one, or if you don't want, you can like 1000 separator in dot or in space, whatever you want, you can add it like this. And then at last we have this title. So here we can add whatever title we want to add, like 68. Here we have our title, satisfied customers. So what I will do, I will change the title to satisfied customers, and that's all we have done with our one of the counter value. Now let's go to the style tab, and here what are the things which we can change, like text color we can change it from here. So how we can change it, the text color? So you can choose any of the text color. So let me choose one golden color. I can set this as text color. After that you can change the typography of this. Suppose if you want to increase the font size to 75, you can do it. If you want to increase the font weight of this number, you can do it. After that, if you want to enable a text shadow, then that one also you can do it, like enabling. Let me enable a blue color text shadow to it. All right, so here you can, if you will notice, we have a blue color text shadow to this text like this. If you in the same way you can change the title of your this text color, typography and text shadow for this title also. With this we have understood what are the features of this counter value, and then what I will do, I can duplicate it to 4 number of times, and once you will duplicate it to 4 number of times, you will get a 4 counter value. The only thing which you have to change is you can change the number like 75 plus whatever title, successful projects, or if you want to give it only projects, you can type it like this, 75 plus projects. In the same way you can create these number of counter values like this. So in this video I have already shown you how to create these advanced counter value, how you can edit the text, how you can add a text shadow to your counter value. So thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you so much.